To attend a tribal conference in Palani. Here in Tamil Nadu, we have organized the tribals for justice, and I'm on my way to Palani. But I would like to express my deep condolences for the families of those who lost their members in the terrible tragedy at Karur. And day before yesterday, our General Secretary had also been to meet the families, and we are awaiting the report of the inquiry as to the reasons behind it, and we are confident that the government of Tamil Nadu will do justice to the families.
All parties will create a special team regarding
The CPIM has already made its position clear. The government of Tamil Nadu, led by the Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, immediately reached the spot. Our own comrades from the CPIM have also been there several times to meet the families, and we are awaiting the report of the inquiry which has been set up.
All over India, so many problems created. The Bangalore, RCL, stampede issue, and Tamil Nadu in the Karur issue. And all over India, so many problems. So what is the necessary action in the federal government?
The first is the organizers of such big conferences or meetings. They have a responsibility. We know what happened in the Kumbh Mela in Uttar Pradesh. Even though thousands of crores of rupees were spent on the arrangements, the government had no response to the terrible tragedies and the deaths which had happened in the Kumbh Mela. As you say, there have been many such accidents in public functions. This particular accident in Karur is when a political party had organized some programs. Therefore, that political party certainly is accountable. And what were the reasons for it? We will have to wait and see and wait for the inquiry.
Okay, so many MPs are visited on the Karur issue. What's your
On the?
Yeah, Nirmala Sitharaman and L. Murugan.
Yes, our members of parliament, our general secretary of the CPIM, our leaders in Tamil Nadu, they have all visited the area to express their solidarity and their condolences to the family. It's a real tragedy. I don't think we should play politics with such a thing. I think when a tragedy like this occurs, it is more important to pinpoint the reasons behind it and to stand in solidarity with the families. And I am glad that the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, without any delay, immediately reached the spot and met the families. It would have been better if the organizer and the leader of that meeting had not left the venue in such a hurry. The court has also commented on it. And it is very distressing that a leader should leave the place where such an accident taking the lives of over 40 people have taken place. We cannot imagine leaders leaving that place. I cannot imagine how a leader can leave a venue like that.
Opposite political party asking for CBI inquiry.
I don't think that is required. I think already an inquiry is on. Let us see what happens.
Thank you.